Welcome back. Well, if you're thinking about starting your own wood-fired catering business, look no further. I have all of the information right here with Ryan Nuss from Fire Within. And Ryan, I tell you what, very impressed with your system here. Turnkey, state-of-the-art ovens based on ancient oven architecture, which is going to help me sell a lot of Neapolitan-style pizzas. Tell us a little bit about Fire Within.
Fire Within was actually designed as a company that builds ovens, manufactures them, but more importantly, we offer a business solution to the entrepreneur. So we not only do we provide the ovens, but we provide all the support that goes along with somebody becoming successful within the mobile industry.
You know, and that's huge because some people may know they want to get into the pizza business because they know how, but they don't know anything about business, or vice versa. But you actually here at the Wood-Fired University teach everything you need to know to get started in a business and operate a successful wood-fired catering business.
It's not just what we teach during the university, but we are the only school in the nation that we are aware of that actually not only teaches how to use the oven, but how to be successful within the industry itself. But it's what we do after, which is all the support after somebody picks up their trailer with their oven. We provide so many different tools, so many different avenues, the fellowship that we have, all the social media tools that we have that actually connect everybody together. So when it comes to actually asking questions, when it comes to challenges that some of our owners are having, they all communicate with one another to come up with solutions that kind of best fit that particular problem.
And you really have an oven trailer solution for any price point out there, don't you?
We certainly do. And what we take a lot of pride in is that we help our clients find the best price point for what their business model is like. You don't need to be spending a fortune to get into something like this. We like baby steps, and it is talking people out from wanting something that's much bigger than what they really do need. Yeah. So it is finding the perfect trailer for the perfect business model.
And a trailer like this one here and this oven capable of making about 90 pizzas an hour.
I've been even told that some of my clients have been able to do 120. Wow. It's all within the workflow, and that's what we also teach within the Wood-Fired University. But yeah, these are workhorses, and it's not just about cooking pizza. You can cook anything that your kitchen can cook. You can cook in this oven as well. The more items that you're able to cook in this oven, the more money you're going to make.
That's the bottom line to it all. And I was impressed at the prices of these as well. Much more affordable than I thought. I understand you have models starting at around $10,000.
We have trailers that do start around $10,000. $15,000 is really where you kind of want to start looking at when it comes to the tailgate. That's what I would consider our entry-level commercial-grade oven. But we can go all the way on up to a very higher price point if we need to. But most likely, we can always kind of fit you into a really good oven trailer at a very reasonable price point.
Well, Ryan, with that said right now, I know you have to have the attention. All of our viewers out there wanting to get started in the business, how can they get a hold of you and learn more?
FireWithin.com is really the best avenue to use, and then also just give us a call.
Excellent. All that information's on your website. They can learn more about different trailers, etc.
Absolutely. We're always here to help.
Easy enough. Ryan, thanks so much for being on.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.